Thank you, Minister. Senator Hanson.
I'm quite happy to remove this because
Order
you
on
work
my left.
to
On my
actually
left.
ban the burqa in Australia?
Attorney General, Senator Brandis.
Thank you, Mr. President. Senator Hanson, no, we will not be banning the burqa. Now, Senator Hanson, I am not going to pretend to ignore the stunt that you have tried to pull today by arriving in the chamber dressed in a burqa, when we all know that you are not an adherent of the Islamic faith. And I would caution you and counsel you, Senator Hanson, with respect, to be very, very careful of the offence you may do to the religious sensibilities of other Australians. We have about 500,000 Australians in this country of the Islamic faith, and the vast majority of them are law-abiding, good Australians, and Senator Hanson, it is absolutely consistent with being a good, law-abiding Australian and being a strict adherent Muslim. Now, Senator Hanson, for the last 4 years, I have had responsibility preeminently among the ministers subject to the Prime Minister for National Security Policy. And I can tell you, Senator Hanson, that it has been the advice of each Director General of Security with whom I have worked, and each Commissioner of the Australian Federal Police with whom I have worked, that it is vital for their intelligence and law enforcement work that they work cooperatively with the Muslim community. And to ridicule that community, to drive it into a corner, to mock its religious garments, is an appalling thing to do, and I would ask you to reflect on what you have done.
Order. Order. Order.